Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Ankur and you are watching Trio Techies. So friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how can you tag someone in your Instagram story. Tagging someone in your Instagram story is a very simple process. So let's get started. Once you open your app, you will see a plus sign at the bottom of the app here, okay? Once you click on the plus sign, by default, post will be selected. That means you are going to make a post. However, how to tag someone in your Instagram post, I have already made the video. I have already made a video before. You can find the link in the description if you're looking for that. In this video, how can you tag someone in your Instagram story? All right, for that you have to select the second one. Click on story. Once you do that, towards the bottom left side, if you click here, you will get access to your gallery. From here you can select any picture or video which you want to upload in your Instagram story. So let's say I'm going to upload this picture on my Instagram story. So I've selected this picture. Now, in order to tag someone on this picture, there are two options. How can you do that? One, you can click anywhere on this picture. Once you do that, you will get access to your keypad. Here you have to enter @ and then enter your friend's Instagram user ID whom you want to tag. So in this case, I'm going to tag Music Shiksha. So here you go. As soon as you type, you will get the pop-up here. You can select directly from here. Okay. So this is one way of tagging someone on the Insta story. Second way is you need to click on this icon which you see towards the top. Once you click on this icon, you have to select @mention. Once you select that, you can mention anyone whom you want to tag. So here I am going to select Music Shiksha and you will find the pop-up here. You can select, and this is how you can tag someone on your Instagram story. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.